Tesla is updating air suspension of its cars with real-time visualization. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell of notifications so you don't miss my next Tesla story, as this is the 5th Tesla story that I'm reporting today, 5th Tesla news story. So Tesla is currently rolling out some improvements to the Model S and Model X's smart suspension system. With the updates in place, owners of the flagship sedan and SUV from Tesla will be able to access real-time visualizations of their vehicle's suspension system while enjoying the benefits of automated suspension adjustments to optimize comfort and range. Simon Alvarez has the story's details coming from Teslarati. Simon writes that Tesla's smart air suspension was among the features that headlined the Raven update to the Model S and Model X last year. Real-world tests from owners of the electric vehicles showed that the revamped suspension system improves comfort of the drivers. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, for his part, noted then that more improvements of the Model S and Model X smart air suspension are poised to be released in the future. Apparently, the time has come. Simon Alvarez from Teslarati reports that it appears that one of these intended smart suspension upgrades from Tesla are now being rolled out. Initial reports from the electric car community pointed Model S and Tesla Model X owners with update 2020.32.1 acquiring the new suspension improvements. Data from Tesla Scope, which tracks the electric car makers' Tesla software update rollouts across the globe, shows that the new suspension updates are being rolled out to more vehicles with update 2020.32.2 as well. So by saying to more vehicles, I don't know if this is talking about Tesla Model 3 and Model Y or only to more vehicles globally at Tesla Model S, Model X. So if you are Model Y or Model 3 owner, please would you let me know in the comment section if you feel like your suspensions have been changed, updated or improved. Let me know, please, and let our community know as well in the comment section below. Simon also writes that among the most notable improvements introduced by the electric car maker Tesla is real-time, first-time visualization. Real-time visualization of how your car's suspension is dynamically adjusted while it is in motion, while you're driving your car. I think this is very interesting. I don't know any other car company that does that, showing a real-time visualization of your car's suspension. The update also introduced a simplified suspension control logic that allows vehicles to support both temporary and permanent ride heights. These, together with some new automated tweaks, allow the electric car maker Tesla to provide a smoother, more comfortable experience for owners of the Model S and Model X. So it seems to me that this does not apply to Model S, Model 3 and Model Y Tesla models. I don't know when that will happen, but I think it would be great if Model Y and Model 3 owners also could enjoy the benefits of improved suspension. But who knows, maybe in the next update or sometimes by the end of this year or next year, Tesla will roll out similar update for Model 3 and Model Y owners. Now, the following is the full release notes for Tesla's new suspension improvements. Suspension improvements reads the title from Tesla, and the text reads like this: you can now see a real-time visualization of how the suspension system is dynamically adjusting each wheel's damping to account for changing road conditions. Tap Show Suspension Data to get even more real-time information. Adaptive suspension damping now has an advanced setting that allows you to set custom levels of ride comfort and handling in addition to the existing comfort, auto, and sport settings. We have simplified the Tesla suspension control logic to better support both temporary and more permanent heights. If ride height is manually adjusted to high or very high, your car now automatically lowers after you drive a short distance. For snowy or off-road conditions, keep next to the ride height slider and to keep the height of high or very high until you reach the maximum allowed speed. For steep driveways or places where you repeatedly need a higher ride height, tap always auto rise at this location. This feature will rise suspension to the saved height when re-entering the location. I think this is interesting. Tesla also says, finally, the suspension system now automatically adjusts between standard and low ride heights to optimize ride comfort and range, depending on road type. If you prefer your car to remain lower to the ground, enable default ride height to low. Tesla's rollout of smart air suspension updates does not only show the company's dedication to improving the capabilities of its vehicles like Model S and Model X, says Simon Alvarez. It also provides a hint at the work being performed by the company in terms of improving its suspension system. Such work would likely bring Tesla closer to refining its more advanced suspension functions, such as the adaptive smart suspension that the company intends to release for the Cybertruck. I think that is going to be a very interesting update that we're going to see in Cybertruck, and as Simon also has covered this in August 9 of 2020, he says regarding Cybertruck, Tesla is currently rolling out the version 2020.32.1 to its fleet, and among the improvements included in the update are new adaptive suspension settings and visualization. The extensive details that Tesla included in its recent update seems to be a step toward the company's eventual rollout of more advanced suspension features, such as those that Elon Musk previously announced for the Cybertruck. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are on improved suspensions, and let me know if you have any news regarding Model 3 and Model Y owners, in case you are a Model 3 and Model Y owners. And if you are a Model S or Model X owner, let us know what's the experience of this new improved real-time visualized suspension update. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, join our growing community, and also ring the notification bell to not miss a story about Tesla that we're reporting several a day. And if you would like to write Tesla stories for TorqueNews.com, please contact me using the contact email in the About section of this Torque News channel. See you soon and have a wonderful report. I think I'm going to make another report later today about Cybertruck. Have a great day, friends.